Hello everyone. This is a demo of the Canvas import process. Here we have two screens. To the left, we have the environment that is going to be exporting the Canvas view. And to the right, we have the client side where the set Canvas view template will be imported. In order to do the importing, first we'll need to export the Canvas template key. From your main navigation, click on the setup icon on the top right corner. After that, we'll navigate under Customization. Click on Canvas on both screens. From here, we need to make sure that we click on the Detail view. And once you hit this screen, we make sure that we navigate to the module that we would like to import or export. Let's take inquiries as an example. Once you're in this stage, hover on the Canvas view that you would like to export. Click on the three ellipses and select Export Canvas. Click on Export. As we can see, it did not allow us to export a key, since the keys are only limited to 10 exports. A key is a string of text that will allow us to import the Canvas view template we created in a different account. So if we manage keys, these are the current keys that exist. So in order to export our Canvas template, we'll just have to delete one that we are not currently using. Now when we click on Export, it's going to generate a string of code wherein we can copy and hover onto the client environment. We are going to click on this blue button to the right with the arrow going downwards. Click on Import Canvas Template, and here is where we are going to paste the key we just generated. Now here we click on Import. This will then open up a new tab with Canvas view. And for reference, we are going to open it here as well. So now this is the imported Canvas view. Let's put Inquiries Canvas view example as the template's name. Click on the Save button. Now that we've saved that, you can see that the Canvas view has been added to the list right here. Please note that there are a few things that can be randomized after importing a Canvas template, such as buttons, fields, and related records. Let's check on the related records first. As you can see, you might think that some of these are not randomized, but it is mainly because we haven't reloaded the screen first. Please note that it is important to remember refreshing your page when you import a Canvas views template. Now that we have the page reloaded, let's go back to the related records. As you can see, the fields in here were randomized. This is one thing that you will have to configure once you've imported the Canvas view. Make sure that all of the related records were accurate to your exporting environment. We can add this here as booking recommendations. Just pick from the related records here and make sure that everything is one-to-one accurate. Another thing that also randomizes are the buttons. So, to be able to edit that, we'll just right-click the button and replace it into the button that we would need it to be. And do this to the rest of the buttons that needs changing. One thing you also need to note is that some of the fields may be randomized. For example, if Builder's Excellence has a few fields that the client does not have, then those fields will be randomized. Let's take Discovery as an example. Since the client does not have any of these fields right here, the fields has been randomized. It is for you to decide which fields you would be adding or whether or not you're going to remove the section as a whole. Other things that may be changed are widgets. Like this one should be changed into Blueprint. Lastly, when it comes to customizations, everything is ported over from the colors to the themes. For a logo, you will have a space for that on the top left. If you want to add your own logo, you can just click on the image for the background and upload image. You can upload one from your device or your computer. In the future, you can check My Images to see the previous images that you've uploaded. Since we already have a ZERP logo, we can just go here and click on the image, then click on the Insert button. Once we insert that, the logo will then pop up. Make sure that it will fit on the navigation bar every time.